Dear viewers and students, good morning everybody. Before my lecture, I would like to extend thanks to my Honorable Principal Professor Ashik Das, whose single-handed initiative has actually provided us to start these online classes for our students. It's a great job, I think, in the worldwide corona crisis. So I don't want to waste time. I want to focus on my subject. So dear students of class 12, you are staying home. Before moving into the syllabus, I would like to say a few things which is necessary, essential, I think, for you, because I think time is life. You should now stay home and try to utilize your time, because if you can utilize your time wherever you are, but at present you need to stay at home, you can, I think, advance your life, because as I said, time is life. You can make your daily life fruitful by distributing your time in different activities, such as now you can watch online classes, then you can chat with your friends on Facebook, you can read storybooks, you can read books on different subjects of your syllabus, and you can also have some other communications with your friends and relatives through digital means. Now I would like to go on into my second year syllabus. It has two parts. First part is on grammar and it includes 12 items. I would like to now write those 12 topics on the board. Now I want to give you syllabus on grammar part. First item on the syllabus is articles. Second item, preposition. Third item, use of special phrases. Fourth item, completing sentences. Here you will have to use phrases and clauses. Completing sentences. Item number 5, correct use of verb or. Correct use of verb for what? Given in the bracket. This is item number 5 and then item number 6. Narration. Item number 7. Transformation. This is actually, meaning will remain same, but structure will be the different. Transformation. Number 8. Number 8, pronoun references. Now, dear viewers, I want to erase with board. So I think you have noted down the first 8 items of the grammar part. Number 9. Item number 9. Modifiers. Here we will use adjectives, nouns, adverbs, articles, etc. Number 10. Sentence connectors. Number 11. Synonyms, antonyms. And the last item of the grammar part, we have use of punctuation. These are all grammar parts, and today I want to start with the first item of our grammar part. First item of the grammar part is known as articles. I think you have learned it from the very early of your educational life. That means in primary schools you have learned articles, in high schools you have learned articles. So you know, I think, you know a lot I think about articles, but you may not know which parts of these articles belong to. All articles. That means there are 3 articles. These belong to adjectives, and they are called demonstrative adjectives. And then adjectives, articles, that means demonstrative adjectives, and a, an, and the. Here I think the, it has 2 pronunciation. Sometimes we say the, sometimes we say that. We pronounce the before vowel sound. We pronounce the before vowel sound. That is, when we say the elephant, the elephant, we should say the elephant. The, pronounced as the. The elephant. But we should pronounce it as the when we use before the, before consonant sound. That is, when we say the book, B of the book belongs to consonant sound. That's why we say the book, and we say the elephant because starting of elephant is vowel sound. So this is about the sound of the and the. Now about the use of a, an, and the. Articles are again divided into 2 groups. First 2, a and an. They are called indefinite articles. A and they called indefinite article. That means when we talk about any noun, and it must be singular countable noun. Singular countable noun. So viewers and students, you can see what I have written on the board. This is the very important point for using a and an, because these 2 will be used most commonly based on these 3 points. That means it will be used before singular This is the most vital point of using a and an. They are called indefinite articles, because when we talk about nouns which are not definite, that means it is applicable to any noun, then we will use a or an. Now, what is the difference between the use of a and an? First, we start with the use of a. And a we use before the use of vowel sound. What is before the use of consonant sound? A before consonant sound. If we say the cow is a useful animal, we can see here two articles have been used in this sentence. One is the and another is a. So anyone can see that useful is a vowel sound. So why should we use a? There is another rule, that is, if we see any sound looking like this or wa, u or wa, then we use a instead of using an. So we use a before consonant sounds as well as before sounds which start before a vowel sounds, but they sound like a u or wa. There is another example of this exception. Sometimes we say it is a one taka note. It is a one taka note. One. So it also starts with a vowel sound. It also starts with a vowel sound, but it pronounces like wa. That's why we use a instead of an. So in other cases we usually use a. Example: I need to buy a book. I need to buy a book. So here B pronunciation like consonant. So we use a. Any sound which is pronounced like a consonant, we will use a. There are many examples we can give. There are some acronyms or contracted words wherein we find better examples for this. If we say he is an LLM, and L, starting L is a consonant letter, but when we try to pronounce L, A comes. The sound A comes with L. That's why we use an instead of A. But when we use he is noun, in case of pronouncing BA, there is no association of vowel sound in the pronunciation of BA. So A is used before BA. So any other acronyms. If we say so, you will be an HSC examinee. So N, I have used N before HSC. Why? Let's see. You will be an HSC examinee. So H, we use the pronunciation, vowel-like pronunciation. That's why N has been used instead of A. Though H belongs to consonant. So when we will use A, we will use A before any consonant sound and any noun which indicates singular countable noun. Singular countable. I repeat, singular countable. And other cases, if the word which is used after a article A or N, we must see whether the sound belongs to vowel sound or consonant sound. So letter is not more important. What is important is how is that letter pronounced. That means how it is pronounced. Sometimes actually we know we can pronounce consonant with the help of vowel sounds. But for pronouncing vowel sounds, we do not need the association of consonants. So, in using consonant letters, we must be very careful because some consonant sounds are not pronounced or are pronounced with vowel sounds at the beginning. I give another example. There is consonant letter H, but it is not pronounced. It remains omitted. So we pronounce this word as honest. O is there in the beginning of the word. So we use an. So it starts with a vowel letter, with a consonant letter, but looking like vowel sound. There are some examples, what I said, in some phrases. This rule is actually not used. If we say, I have used the statement that singular countable noun, A or N. But there is exception to this. If we say a little, milk, a little, actually there is a phrase. It's not single word. Two words together make a meaning. A little, which denotes almost nothing. Which denotes almost nothing. So that's why, but milk is neither singular nor countable noun. But yet we use A because it is used in the phrase a little, not in a single word. So we have to be very, very minute in using A or N, and only single rule is not applicable in all cases. So we have to be very, very studious about the applicable of using A or N in our writing cases. Okay. Now I will move to the use of and. Another indefinite article and it will be used before any vowel sound, not vowel letter, before any vowel sound. But sometimes vowel sound is not pronounced like other vowel sound. Sometimes vowel also pronounced like U or wa. If any vowel sound is pronounced like U or wa, then we also will use A instead of N. I have given example for this. So it is a bit easy to use A and N. And the third one of the article is the definite article. Definite. The or da. We pronounce the before vowel sound and we pronounce da before consonant sound. So the use of the is before particular or a specific thing. I want to give an example so that I can conclude. Dear students and viewers, so this is a small text or passage wherein you can see I bought dash newspaper and dash magazine this morning. I put dash newspaper in my bag but I forgot where I put dash magazine. So I used any newspaper, so I should use N sound, a newspaper. A magazine this morning, but now you can see I put newspaper. Which newspaper? Not any newspaper. The newspaper which I bought. So this is a specific. So I should use the. I should use the newspaper instead of a newspaper in my bag. But I forgot where I put again the magazine instead of a magazine. Which magazine? The magazine I bought. So this way we will try to differentiate which one is definite, which one is indefinite. In any indefinite noun, if it is vowel sound, then we should use N, and if it is consonant sound, we should use A. And if the noun is specific or particular, then we should use the before vowel sound and da before consonant sound. So that's all for today. Viewers, if you have any questions, then I am ready to ask you questions. Okay, I am giving more example for you practice. This is another example for the same use of article practice. I saw dash accident yesterday. Any kind of accident maybe. So I saw an. Why an? Because accident starts with a vowel sound. So I saw an accident yesterday. And what I see? Dash car crashed into dash tree. I don't know. Which car? Any car, maybe. So, it should be a car. A car crashed into any tree, a tree. And next we can see driver of. So, not any driver, but the driver who is the driver of the car who is crashed, who is actually created an accident. So it will be definite. The driver, and of not here any car. Car who is faced the accident. The car was not hurt, but the car saying the car was badly hurt. Now, I have received some questions. Hot is not noun. So, the or the, it is used before noun. The are new abar. So, definite. It is used before any specific or definite noun. Specific or definite noun. There are other rules. In other class, I will tell you more uses of the. Other than this, there are lots of uses of the. The is used before religious books. The is used before items which are only one in the world. The is used before superlative degrees, we say the best. The is used before the ordinals, we say one. But when we say the first, we should use the. There are some other rules of using the. We use the before school, college, institute also when somebody come to these institutions for visit, not for regular purposes. Suppose I may give you example. The Prime Minister came to Chatpur to visit the college. So here the will be used. But when you say I go to college every day, the is not used for college. But when it is different, unusual, not for regular purposes, we use the or the before schools, college, institutions also. There are many more uses of the also. It needs actually time to give you details of the uses of the. There are some specific uses for the. Okay, thank you all, my students and viewers, for today.